रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हय्यो हाय हाय आशानी किरणों बिखराए उमंग विखरते मन हळवेથી गुनगुनाए हाय 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 हाय
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई 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 ख्वाबों के बीज कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई
रास रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ छे लावी ओ लावी
हो लावी
रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हय्यो हाय हाय रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हय्यो हाय 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 हाय
हाँ मजा है जिंदगी नशा है जिंदगी धीरे धीरे चढ़ेगी हाँ दुआ दे जिंदगी बता दे जिंदगी बात अपनी बनेगी हाँ ख्वाबों के बीज कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है शहनाई 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 रंग लो मरना ए भाई भाई हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई
रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ छे लावी ओ लावी
ए भाला
That was a truly mesmerizing performance. Thank you girls for astonishing display of talent, energy and enthusiasm. Please join me in applauding their outstanding efforts once again. And now let's seamlessly transition to the next exciting segment of our program. The lamp stand as a poignant, radiant light of knowledge that our teachers so selflessly impart to us, illuminating our minds and guiding us along the path of wisdom. Just as a lamp displays light, our teachers illuminate knowledge, wisdom and kindness, nurturing our growth and fostering our development. To commemorate the inspection of this auspicious occasion, we cordially invite our respected fathers, sisters, and our esteemed headmistress to gracefully come forward and participate in the lamp lighting ceremony. Let us all witness together in this symbolic movement as we pay tribute to illuminating impact of our teachers on our lives.
The tilak, an ancient and reward symbol of honor, graciously inaugurates our festivities. Its significance is profound as it represents the blessings and gratitude we humbly seek for our teachers who selflessly guide us with wisdom, care and dedication. Now it is our privilege to invite our esteemed teacher to receive the tilak one by one as a mark of our deepest respect and admiration. To further commemorate this occasion, we have crafted badges as a token of our love and appreciation. These badges embody the pride we taken in with their students and the gratitude we feel for their tireless efforts.
Now we will invite our amazing, handsome and beautiful teachers by calling their nickname along with their original name. So we are starting with Mrs. Sweetie. So guess who is she? She is none other than our Miss Beena. Miss Heartbeat, Miss Kriti, please come forward. Miss Example Setter, can you guess who is she? She is Miss Zarina, please come forward. Miss Kriti, Miss Kriti, please come forward. Mrs. Sweet Singer, she is our Usha Miss, please come forward. Mrs. Maharani of Politeness, she is our Anjali Ratiyar. Mrs. Sapota Rani, Miss Susila. Miss Observer Green, friends, can you please guess who is she? She is none other than Miss Anjali Soni. Miss Beauty Queen, she is Sona Miss. Mrs. Helper Queen, Miss Vandana. Miss Dance Instructor, can you please guess who is she? She is Clara Miss. Miss Child Lover, she is Sonalika Miss. So can you please guess who is our sweet sugar? She is none other than our Miss Kiran. Miss Sports Fascinist, can you guess who is she? She is none other than our Miss Preeti. Miss Creativity, guess who is she? She is Miss Hanisha. Miss Innocent, she is Miss Kausalya. Mr. Roboboy, Mr. Satin, Mr. Updater, can you please guess who is he? He is our James sir. Mr. School Sage, he is our Lalit sir. Mr. Inspector of Computer, can you please guess who is he? He is our Deepak sir. Mr. Expression Rajan, can you please guess who is he? Mr. Jax. Mr. Millionaire, who is he? He is none other than our sir Tizo. Now, Mr. Supervisor, who is he? He is our Praveen sir. Now, the most kind-hearted person in this school, he is our Father Cherian. Now, guess who is Mr. Bombastic? He is our Vice Principal, Father Joseph. Here, the Master of SPSR, guess who is he? He is our special guest, Father Cyril. Thank you everybody.
As our teacher received these batches, let us shower them with a thunderous round of applause. Expressing our heartfelt gratitude and acknowledgement of unwavering commitment. With this, we conclude the Tilak ceremony, but the celebrations continue. We have a plethora of exciting performances and events line up to line to make this Teachers' Day truly unforgettable and special. And now, the excitements continue. Our talented girls are ready to dazzle us with a vibrant group dance, showcasing their energy, teamwork and enthusiasm. Let us immerse ourselves in this performance which embodies the spirit of joy, unity and celebration.
There's something about tonight, something very special. There's something about tonight, something very special. Something about the way you move that thing, something very special. Yeah, there's something about tonight, something very special. Here we go.
सारी की सारी दुनिया भुला के मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना
Baby, you're so sexy.
For you could be my one and only मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना When I see you looking at me आजा बात कर ले दिल की होने लगेंगे अफसाने
You know it, so sing it. Now throw your hands up and say.
Hello, hello, तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई हेलो हेलो तू मुझे रंग लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई लड़के के दिल झंझट बोले अपनी सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल बचानी कर ले अल्लाह भूलियां बदामी एक लाडो भर गई नदी में देखे
रात कर गई दुनिया दे दिनां ते चला गई हरियां जदों जांदी जांदी मेरे नाल गल कर गई हत्ती सी बड़ा हाथी उत्ते जमदा मुड़ जांदी देख मेरा दिल सहमदा कहंदी मैनू मेरे कोल हत्थ जा छड़ा के हुण जांदे हो गए 9:45 होए नी तू सोनी बारी
We are absolutely mesmerized by their synchronized moves, graceful gestures, and infectious enthusiasm. Bravo, girls! Your performance is a true testament to the magic of dance and beauty of collaboration. Please give a round of applause for their beautiful dance performance.
It's time to turn the tables and put our teachers in the spotlight. Join us for a lively and entertaining Q&A session where we will get to know about our teachers and will delve into the fascinating world of our educators. Let's see how well we know the people who inspire and guide us every day. Teachers, be ready for a barrage of fun and intriguing questions, and students will get to know about your teachers more. So let the questioning begin. Miss Nivedita, please come up on the stage for the first question. Miss, what are the things you applied today as your makeup? I guess eyeliner, lipstick and sunscreen. That's all. Thank you so much, Miss, for your answer. For the second question, I would like to invite Mr. Jijin sir on the stage.
I'm ready to answer.
Sir, have you ever dyed your hair? If yes, may I know the coloring brand?
I haven't colored my hair as such, but I have colored my beard once. That when I was at home, my mother insisted, so I had to do that. I haven't colored my hair anymore. So I have no brand to say. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your answer.
Thank you.
For the third question, I would like to invite Miss Anjali Soni on the stage. Ma'am, can you please introduce yourself in 3-4 lines but in American accent?
My name is Anjali Soni
It was awesome. Thank you so much.
and I'm from Roxhall.
For the next question, I would like to call Miss Susmita on stage. So, Miss, what are the things required to make your special tea? Special tea? Yes.
Water, sugar, tea leaves, ginger, and some masala.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your answer. For the next question, I would like to invite Mr. James on the stage. So, what is the number of your specs and from which age you are wearing them?
Hello. Yes, the number of my specs is -1. And I have been wearing my specs since my class 12. That's all. Any more inquiry?
Thank you so much, sir, for your answer. The next question, I would like to call Miss Susmita on the stage. Yes, Miss Sushila on the stage. Miss, what is the size of your heels in inches?
Really, I don't know. Really, I don't know. Two.
2 inches. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your answer. For the next question, I would like to invite Mr. Jackson on the stage. So, have you ever bullied or get bullied by someone in your college time? Please experience your... Yeah.
Bully means?
Bully.
Bully means what?
तंग करना, छेड़ना, तंग करना, bully, परेशान करना, धमकाना.
Bully means what? I don't know. What is bully? കുറവാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ടോ Actually, I have no like that experience, so I can't. If any other experience, I can say in college time, no bully experience.
You can say that. Thank you so much, sir, for your amazing answer. I extend a heartfelt gratitude to the teachers who participated in the question answer session. Congratulations and thank you. Now we have a question for Amit sir. Can you please come up on the stage, Amit sir? Who is your good friend in this school?
In this school. Sanjay sir is my good friend in this school.
Chandan sir?
And we have a question for Chandan sir. Can you please come up on the stage? When you came in this school, which teacher you became frank to? Which?
Jin sir and Binamis.
And now it is our great pleasure to introduce a remarkable young mind from among us. Please join me in warmly welcoming Alika Alim from class 7th, who has prepared an inspiring speech on this special occasion. Alika, your thoughts and insights are eagerly awaited, and we are thrilled to hear your perspective.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Alika Aling from class 7A, standing here in front of you all to deliver a short speech on Teachers' Day. Education, the most important thing in our life, can't be achieved without the help of a teacher. Our parents gave us birth, but teachers are the ones who model us to live a meaningful life with understanding, knowledge, and moral value, which made us a qualitative student. They help us to differentiate between a wrong and a right path. They are the ones that teaches us to live a successful life. They help us to become a doctor, engineer, scientist, officer, and to achieve many other goals in our life. They never discriminate between a student. They have no anger and selfishness in their personality. They enhance enough qualities to enrich a student to achieve their goal in their life. A teacher is like a candle that dispels darkness. In the same way, they dispel darkness in our life. By ending my speech, I only want to tell teaching is the one profession that creates all other professions. Thank you.
The moment of truth has arrived. It's time to challenge our incredible teachers to a fun-filled session. We have planned in an area of engaging games that will put their skills to the test. Our randomly selected participants will be announced shortly, so stay tuned. As we reveal the names, we invite our fearless teachers to take center stage. Let us cheer them and enjoy this delightful interlude. Who will be the champion of the day? The suspense is building. So Sony, can you please take 6 seats from the bar? To judge the game, I would like to call upon Miss Siddhi and Miss Siddhi Saraf to come up on the stage to judge the game. So the game starts now.
सुनता है खुद की भी सुन ले कभी कुछ बात भी हो जाए कुछ देर ये दिल खो जाए बेफिक्र धड़कने शोर गूंजे
So the winner is first prize goes to Sister Hemlata. Second prize goes to Anjali Roniar ma'am. And third prize goes to Kriti ma'am. Kirti ma'am.
The second game is for the gents teachers, that is garlic peeling. Muskan, please pick out 6 sheets from this. Mr. Jack, please come upon the stage. Mr. Jijin, please come upon the stage. Mr. Amit, please come upon the stage. Mr. Tijo, please come upon the stage. Mr. Deepak, please come upon the stage. Mr. James, please come up on the stage. Teachers, kindly take your positions. Mr. Tijo. Mr. Tijo. Yes.
Take one more mic.
The rule of this game is you have to peel out this garlic by using your hands. Yes. No, when the song will start, you have to start. Once if it will stop. Yes, all. Start. Fast! Come on! ये नाम भी बोली थी Fill it properly. Sir, fill it properly. Properly you have to do, sir. Properly, sir. Sir, properly you have to do. Stop, you have to. Stop. Judges. Who's already Six, 10. ये सिर्फ इतना प्रॉपर्ली है, ये देखो प्रॉपर्ली जो ये garlic which is proper you can simulate properly like that. It's not proper. No one. Only two. Jijin salutes. And second. Second, I think. Second, Deepak sir. Announce. So the first prize goes to Jijin sir and Deepak sir. There are 2 first prizes. And second one? Yeah. Deepak sir. Second. And third? Oh no. Announce.
the third is James sir. James sir and Jack sir have same. James sir and Jack sir.
Jackson was not properly paid.
He's telling I won't give.
Kindly take your seats. Go.
Teachers, kindly take your seat.
He's waiting for gift.
Ma'am, Jackson is waiting for a gift. He's telling he also filled, but his one was small. And James sir was having big ones.
Thank you, Paul.
Thank you.
4 and 2 and 3.
Today, this stage transcends its physical boundaries to become vibrant realm of creativity and rhythm. Get ready to be enchanted by high energy performance that will captivate your sense, stir your emotion and leave you spellbound. The talented performers are about to transport you to the world of wonder and awe.
डांस के बाद किट के बाद इंटरेक्शन विद
नजरें मिलते ही नजरों से नजरों को चुराए, कैसी ये हया तेरी जो तू पलकों को झुकाए। रब जो पोशीदा है उसको निहारे तू, और जो गर्विदा है उसको टाले तू। तेरी झलक शर्फी श्रीवल्ली नैना मदक बर्फी, तेरी झलक शर्फी श्रीवल्ली बातें कर जो हर्फी।
నువ్వు అమ్మి అమ్మి అంటాంటే నీ పెళ్ళాన్నైపోయినట్టుంది రా సామి నా సామి. నువ్వు సామి సామి అంటాంటే నా పెనుమిటి లెక్క సక్కంగుంది రా సామి నా సామి. నీ ఎనకే అడిగేస్తాంటే, నీ ఎనకే అడిగేస్తాంటే ఎంత గోడి ఎక్కినట్టుంది రా సామి. నీ పక్కన కూర్చుంటే పరమేశ్వరుడే తక్కినట్టుంది రా సామి. నువ్వు ఎల్లే దారి సుత్తా ఉంటే ఎర్రయ్యండి నట్టుంది రా సామి నా సామి నా సామి రా సామి. బంగారు సామి మీసాల సామి రోషాల సామి నా సామి రా సామి. బంగారు సామి మీసాల సామి రోషాల సామి. పిక్కలపై దాకా పంచను ఎత్తి కడితే, పిక్కలపై దాకా పంచను ఎత్తి కడితే నా పంచ ప్రాణాల పొందిన సామి. కాళ్ళకి నువ్వు కసి కసి నవ్వులుతుంటే నా ఒళ్ళో ఎర్రగా పండిన సామి. నీ అరుపులు కేకలు ఇంటా ఉంటే sabe, no sabe, no sabe, no sabe, mi sala sabe, no sala sabe, no sabe, rara sabe, bangaru sabe, mi sala sabe, no sala sabe.
Thank you, students, for your incredible performance.
What a teacher writes on the blackboard of life can never be erased. Our teachers go through roller coaster movement every day in classroom, dealing with quirky students, funny incidents, morning chores, grading papers, checking huge number of notebooks, solving problems, and helping the students to overcome the challenges and the joy of teaching. So, here comes the students of class 6 to entertain us with a skit, a debate between students and teachers on various light-hearted topics.
मर मर के जी लिए एक पल तो हमें जीने दो जीने दो
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के
अच्छा मैंने तुम सबको होमवर्क दिया था ना, किसने कंप्लीट नहीं किया?
सर ये तो पुराना हो गया है।
ओ, मैंने तुम सबको अकाउंट्स का प्रोजेक्ट दिया था ना, किसने कंप्लीट नहीं किया? आज लास्ट डेट है।
सर वो तो किसी ने भी कंप्लीट नहीं किया, आप सबसे पूछ लो। यस सर, कर लिया।
When teacher starts teaching.
Students, take out your books. Today we study air pollution.
Sir, it's air pollution.
हमारे मतलब आपको मत सिखा चल।
Ikprit, stand up. What is air pollution?
Sir, this is air pollution.
Get out of my class. What a mannerless student. When air is polluted by any human activity or resources is called air pollution.
यार ये भुक्कड़ों ने पूरा का पूरा टिफिन खाली कर दिया।
Idiot! ये क्या क्लास लगा के रखी है? कुछ समझ नहीं आता तुमको? अब मैं जो भी पढ़ा रहा हूँ ध्यान से सुनना। Afforestation has A in his first letter and deforestation has D in his first letter. Afforestation has 12 words and deforestation also has 12 words, but अलग है। Afforestation is afforestation and deforestation is deforestation.
इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की, आईना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की।
Students, नेक्स्ट पीरियड तुम्हारा फिजिक्स का पेपर है, रेडी हो जाओ।
देखो मैं सभी चीट बना के लाया हूँ। तू यहाँ बैठ जा, तू वहाँ बैठ जा, मैं पीछे बैठ जाता हूँ। आज तो पूरी क्लास टॉप करेगी। हिप हिप हुर्रे, हिप हिप हुर्रे, हिप हिप हुर्रे, जय पापी, जय पापी।
चलो बच्चों, आज का एग्जाम। हाँ ठीक है, बैठो। बड़ी रिस्पेक्ट दे रहे हैं।
सर पिंक कलर का पेपर दो ना।
बैठ जाओ। अरे नहीं, इसकी क्या जरूरत है?
सर ढक्कन उठा रहा था, आपको क्या लगा?
ये क्या कर रहे हो बेटा? सर मम्मी पापा ने सिखाया है कि पेपर से पहले भगवान को याद कर लेना चाहिए।
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा।
यस।
क्या हुआ बेटा?
सर मुझे आंसर आ गया।
वाह बेटा, फिर लिखो।
अरे यार सर भूल गई।
क्या है ये? हाँ चल लिख।
सर ये तो गलत है।
आज तो फिजिक्स का पेपर है और ये फिजिकल एजुकेशन की चीट ले आया।
अच्छा सर, फिर ये फिजिकल एजुकेशन का पेपर कब है?
तू तो निकल क्लास से, पहली फुर्सत में निकल।
When students go to coaching classes.
वेलकम टू चेंज चुइट कोचिंग क्लासेस। यहाँ सबकी दुविधाओं का समाधान होगा। मैम आई हैव अ डाउट। डाउट क्लियर। कोई और कोई डाउट है क्या? मैम बड़वानी का कैपिटल क्या है? गुड क्वेश्चन, गुड क्वेश्चन। अच्छा चलो लिखो। बड़वानी का कैपिटल है बी। मैम कैसे? जो भी प्लेस होती है उसका फर्स्ट कैपिटल लेटर ही उसका कैपिटल होता है। अरे तुम तो पूछो, सारे प्लेसेस के कैपिटल मैं ऐसे ही बता दूंगी। मैम अलीराजपुर ए। मैम पार्टी पी। मैम मंडवाड़ा। मैम व्हाट इज द एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ एग्जाम? अच्छा लिखो। एडवांटेजेस। फर्स्ट, एग्जाम इज गुड। वाह। सेकंड, एग्जाम शोज दैट योर औकात।
अरे हाँ यार, ये तो सोचा ही नहीं।
एंड थर्ड, एग्जाम के टाइम ही हम भगवान को याद करते हैं।
अरे गजब, एक्सीलेंट।
डिसएडवांटेजेस। फर्स्ट, एग्जाम इज गुड बट नींद उड़ा देती है।
सही है।
सेकेंड, एग्जाम के टाइम हम तो भगवान को याद करते हैं पर भगवान हमको नहीं याद करते।
मैम एक पॉइंट मैं बताऊंगा।
हाँ बताओ। यहाँ सबको बोलने की छूट है।
हम एग्जाम में पेपर में लिखते हैं। पेपर पेड़ से आता है, पेड़ काटने से ग्लोबल वार्मिंग होती है, इसलिए पेड़ बचाओ एग्जाम हटाओ।
चलो अब नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट करते हैं। हेडिंग डालो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक्स।
अरे आज नहीं मैम, कल से पढ़ लेंगे ना।
यस मैम।
अरे मेरी बात तो।
अरे नहीं, आज छुट्टी।
ठीक है, छुट्टी। जाओ यहाँ से। कल से तुम्हारी क्लास ही बंद। तुम्हें पढ़ना तो है नहीं, टीचर्स की रिस्पेक्ट करते हो नहीं। यू डोंट इवन नो हाउ टू बिहेव इन द क्लास। दिस इज द वर्स्ट बैच एवर। नहीं यार, ये हमारी गलती है। चलो मैम को वापस लेकर आते हैं। हम हमारे टीचर्स को बहुत परेशान करते हैं बट दे आर आवर सेकेंड पेरेंट्स। वो हमें सही गलत की पहचान कराते हैं। हमारी गलती पर डांटते जरूर है पर अच्छे कामों पर प्यार भी देते हैं।
वो खुद पर ध्यान न देकर हम पर ध्यान देते हैं। इतनी मेहनत करते हैं ताकि हम कुछ बन पाए। एक स्टूडेंट का दिन 7 बजे शुरू होता है, बट एक टीचर का दिन सुबह 4 बजे ही शुरू हो जाता है।
सपना जहां दस्तक न दे।
दोस्तों, अगर एक टीचर चाहता तो डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, सीए बन सकता था, लेकिन आज उन्होंने अपने ड्रीम्स को सेक्रीफाइस कर दिया ताकि हम कुछ बन सके।
We extend our heartfelt appreciation to the talented students of class 6 for their delightful skit.
Now, it's a time to add a dash of nostalgia and honor to our festivals. We are delighted to invite all our fathers to join us on stage for a light-hearted and interactive session. So may I kindly request our Reverend Father Cherian, Father Cyril and Father Joseph to come up on the stage. We have prepared a special treat for you, a trip down memory lane. We will provide you a chit containing questions that will transport you back to your carefree school days. Share with us your most treasured and amusing memories with revel in the joy of nostalgia and together give the chits. So Father, kindly read out your question and please answer it.
The question is, it is question?
Yes.
If you could go back and give your younger self a piece of advice as a student, what it be? I studied, I remember my high school, class 8, 9, 10. I had to walk 8 kilometers in the morning and 8 kilometers in the evening. And I could cover that distance morning 2 hours, evening little less than 2 hours, because evening we were running, we were hungry, wanted to eat something, so we were running after 4 o'clock. Class time was 10 to 4, and it was a private school. The name of the school was St. Mary's School. You know?
Yes.
And I was the class monitor in class 8, 9 and 10.
Thank you, Father. That was really an inspiring answer.
Good morning. So my question is, did you have any challenge or obstacles in school in your childhood days, and how did you overcome it? So those who are from south, they can say many obstacles. Only we had obstacles while we were in the school, because every day teachers used to beat us. That was the time. Every day we used to get, and many subjects. And south means 6 months continuous rain, and every day we have to walk 3 to 4 kilometers to attend the classes. There was no bus. So that is many obstacles and struggles we faced. Okay, thank you so much for the question.
Thank you, Father, for your answer.
Good morning, everyone. So the question for me is, what was your most significant struggle as a student and how did you overcome? So one struggle I remember during my 10th class. I was accidentally elected as school leader, and my struggle was to deliver the pledge. In every day we have got assembly and we have to deliver the pledge by heart. And initial days I took the textbook and read, and the headmistress told me it is already 1 month and you have to start delivering pledge by heart. And it so happened I started delivering pledge, but in one or another day I will miss one sentence of the pledge. So the whole year I was struggling with pledge. So thank you.
Thank you, Father, for your answer. We express our heartfelt gratitude to all the fathers who join us today. Now we have a small token of gift for you all. So Siddhi, kindly give it. Thank you, Father, for being an integral part of this special moment and for inspiring us with your stories and experiences. And now it's time to shift gears and put our amazing teachers in spotlight once again. We have got an amazing lineup of games that are designed to bring out their playful side and leave them beaming with delight. Before we dive into the fun, let's take a moment to introduce the games that will entertain, challenge, and perhaps even surprise our esteemed educators. So get ready to cheer them.
So now I would like to call upon Miss Kajal, Miss Kiran, Miss Neelam ma'am, Miss Sona ma'am, Miss Farhana ma'am, and Miss Anjali Roniar.
Give a try. Anjali Roniar, Miss Anjali Roniar. First. Allo nere du, acha pakandu, nanni chuste koi చూపుల కొరేటు ఆటల కొరేటు రంగుల కొరేటు నడుము కొరేటు పుస్తక కావాలంటే ఇస్తాను పెట్టు ఉప్పు సొప్పు చే జస్ట్ సింపుల్ చే దాటుకొస్తే చూపిస్తాను చాలా యాంగిల్ చే किसी का भी गिर जाएगा तो फायदा नहीं गिर नहीं सकते छोड़ो ना काजल हाथ छोड़ो नहीं छोड़ सकते छोड़ोगे तो मुझे गिर लाना पड़ेगा जज क्या है विनर आपको बना लेगा तो गिरा नहीं ना तो बस एक ही प्राइस देगा So our winner is Anjali Roniar ma'am. And second is Kajal ma'am. And third Kiran ma'am.
couple game है. एक couple game.
You will go. Take the mic after.
Hey Siddhi, take this all cups.
लक तेरा पतला गया जद तोर दी सतारा वाले खावे और निजी तोर कुड़िए और मुंडियां नु होश किथों आवे नगनी दी अख वालिए
The winner is first is Mr. Tijo and Miss Ramya and second is Mr. Amit and Mrs. Vandana. Rest of the teachers please go back to your seats. Yeah, here. You have to stay here, sir, for one other game. Now, here comes a twist in this game. Now the female teachers have to stand behind the male teachers. And I will ask some questions to male teachers. They have to answer it without turning back. Amit sir, you have to stand where you can stand. You have to stand at back.
Okay.
Back. Yeah. You have to stand in front. You will stand it back.
Sir, please come stand here.
Sir, here. Sir, here. You don't have to turn back. You don't have to turn back. There. Like that.
Yeah. Here's the broken.
You don't have to turn back.
Turn back. You don't have to turn back. Now the teacher who will answer first will get points and teacher with more points will win. So the first question is, what is the color of a nail paint? You don't have to turn back. Yes, sir.
Green.
No, green. So the point goes to Amit sir. The second question is she having a ring in her finger? If yes, then in which finger?
You have to also answer.
Yeah.
You don't know.
Left finger.
Index finger.
Yes. 1 point each. Now, the third question is, which type of sandal or heels he is wearing? You can tell the color.
Brown.
I don't know. Green. Green.
Still no point. Now, green. You told me green. Yes. Now, Tejo sir got 1 point. The next, 2 point each. It's tie. So the last question is, which type of earrings he is wearing?
Jhumka.
Jhumka. Yeah, Tejo sir got 1 more point now. He is the winner and Amit sir also got. So both are winners. वो लोग पहले ही प्राइज दे दिए थे मैम वो दोनों को पहले ही दे दिए थे. Thank you for the game. It was an exhilarating game. Anamika.
Music is a language of soul, and now we have a solo song performance by Siddhi of class 7, dedicating to all our teachers. Let's all sit back and enjoy this musical tribute.
ना कुछ पूछा ना कुछ मांगा तूने दिल से दिया जो दिया ना कुछ बोला ना कुछ तोला मुस्कुरा के दिया जो दिया तू ही धूप तू ही छाया तू ही अपना पराया और कुछ ना जानू बस इतना ही जानू तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं कभी तेरी खुशबू, कभी तेरी बातें, बिन मांगे ये जहां पानी। तू ही दिल की है रौनक, तू ही जन्मों की दौलत, और कुछ ना जानू, बस इतना ही जानू, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं, सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं, रब ने बना दी जुड़ी है रब ने। थैंक यू।
Anna. Siddhi, your soulful solo song performance has touched our heart and soul, and we are forever grateful for your song you dedicated to our teacher. Thank you for filling our hearts with the sweetness of music and making this moment a memorable one for our teachers and for all of us. Thank you.
And now, it's time to put our teachers' problem-solving skill to the test. We present challenging and intriguing game where simplicity meets complexity. The art of simplicity puzzle awaits. This game is especially for teachers, fathers and sisters. Rules and regulations are very simple. You have to match the circle with same color without crossing the lines. Now I request anybody is ready to participate in this game among teachers, fathers and sisters on the stage. Now I request Chandan, please come on the please a warm welcome to Chandan sir. Sir, you have to match the circle with same color without crossing the line.
ਲੱਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਪਤਲਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਰਦੀ 17 ਵੱਲ ਖਾਵੇ ਹੋਰ ਨੀ ਜੀ ਤੋਰ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਹੁਣ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਸ਼ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਆਵੇ ਨੀ ਨਗਣੀ ਦੀ ਅੱਖ ਵਾਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਨਗਣੀ ਦੀ ਅੱਖ ਵਾਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਨਗਣੀ ਦੀ ਅੱਖ ਵਾਲੀਏ ਸਭ ਕੀਲ ਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਘਬਰੂ ਕਵਾਰੇ।
Thank you sir for your participating. Now I want to call our Vice Principal, Father Joseph. Please come on the stage.
ਨਾਮ ਕਰਦੀ ਇਹ ਤਾਨਾ ਤੇਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਕਾਰ ਦਾਰੂ ਬਦਨਾਮ ਕਰਦੀ ਇਹ ਤਾਨਾ ਤੇਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਕਾਰੇ। ਲੱਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਪਤਲਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਰਦੀ 17 ਵੱਲ ਖਾਵੇ ਹੋਰ ਨੀ ਜੀ ਤੋਰ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਹੁਣ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਸ਼ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਆਵੇ ਨੀ ਨਗਣੀ ਦੀ ਅੱਖ ਵਾਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਨਗਣੀ ਦੀ ਅੱਖ ਵਾਲੀਏ
अख वालिए सब कीलत तू घबरू कवारे हो दारू बदनाम करती ए ताना तेरे हाँ बेकार हो दारू बदनाम करती ए ताना तेरे हाँ बेकार तिलक तेरा पतला गया जद तोर दी 17 वाल खावे और निजी तोर कुड़िए और मुंडिया नु होश किथों आवे नगनी दी अख वालिए नगनी दी अख वालिए सब कीलत तू घबरू कवारे हो दारू बदनाम करती ए ताना तेरे हाँ बेकार हो दारू बदनाम करती
Thank you, brother, for your participating. Now I want to call Susila Miss. Please come on the stage. Please give a warm welcome to ma'am.
तिलक तेरा पतला गया जद तोर दी 17 वाल खावे और निजी तोर कुड़िए और मुंडिया नु होश किथों आवे नगनी दी अख वालिए
Please give a round of applause. The winner is only one, none other than Miss Susila. Thank you, ma'am, for your participating and dedication for this game. Get ready to be mesmerized by a dazzling display of talent and artistry. We are thrilled to introduce our next performer, the talented Chavi from class 5, who will captivate us with her graceful and enchanting dance moves. With her presence on this stage, we are in a for a treat that will leave us spellbound and inspire. Let us give a warm welcome to Chavi as she prepares to take us on a journey of rhythm and beauty.
Now please, all the students, please sit down.
Thank you.
હવે તો ખાલી પડે નાની નાની પગલીને નાના એવા સપનાની રેત વાળી ડગલીને તોફાનો તરાપ મારે હાલે સાવ આપી જાય તોય જેની હિંમત અને આમ નહીં આપે એવો ખારવો ખલાસી એવો હાડનો પ્રવાસી એવો ખારવો ખલાસી એવો હાડનો પ્રવાસી ગોતીલો 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 ગોતીલો
પોતાના જ દરિયામાં પોતાની જ ડૂબકીથી જાતનું અમૂલ મોતી લો
જે મજામાં ખાલી વાવટા બજામાં એવો હાડનો પ્રવાસી ગોતીલો
मोती से ना हीरो से ना जेवर से मोती से ना हीरो से ना जेवर से न किसी खजाने से दिल बहलता है मेरा आपके आ जाने से आपके आ जाने से आपके आ जाने से आपके आ जाने
We extend our heartfelt appreciation to the talented Chavi for her breathtaking solo dance performance. Please.
Celebration. It is our great honor to invite our estimated Vice Principal, Father Joseph, to deliver the presidential address. We eagerly anticipate his inspiring words, guidance and wisdom, which will indeed leave a lasting impact on our hearts and minds. So please join me in extending a warm welcome to our respected Vice Principal as he takes the stage to share his insights and valuable acknowledgement. Thank you.
First of all, let us put our hands together to give a loud applause to our teachers who teach us in our school. Let us clap. Respected Manager Father Cyril, Father Principal Cherian, and dear teachers and students. It is with great pride and gratitude that we come together today to celebrate the group of individuals who are the true architect of our society. It is none other than our teachers. Teachers hold in their hands the future of our nation, and through their dedication, they shape the minds and heart of next generation. On this special occasion, I want to acknowledge the tremendous responsibility teachers bear. The classroom is more than just a space for academic learning. It is where values are instilled, character is built, and dreams take flight. A teacher's influence extends far beyond the curriculum. They impart wisdom that shapes a student's outlook on life, giving them tools to think critically, act with integrity, and contribute positively to the society. Let us also recognize that teaching is not without its challenges. In the face of ever-changing technologies, diverse student needs, and evolving curriculums, teachers continue to adapt, innovate, and remain steadfast in their commitment to excellence. And today, as we celebrate the Teachers' Day, it is my privilege to extend our heartfelt thanks to our dear teachers, because you inspire the greatness, nurture the talent, and prepare young minds for the future. Your efforts are invaluable and your impact is immeasurable. I also take opportunity to thank all the students who worked behind to make this day more beautiful and colorful, and all the teachers behind, because teachers and students make the backbone of this school. And I wish everyone a happy Teachers' Day once again. Thank you.
We express our deepest gratitude to our Vice Principal, Father Cherian, Father Joseph, for gracing us with his presence and delivering the presidential address that has inspired, guided, and enlightened us. Thank you, Father Joseph, for delivering your presidential address that has inspired, guided, and give the encouragement which will indeed leave a lasting impact on our hearts and minds, and for being a shining example of leadership and dedication to our community.
Father Cherian, kindly give the gifts to our teachers.
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया
Now I request Vice Principal Father Joseph to give the gifts.
आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत, आपके समर्पण को सलाम। शुक्रिया
I request Father Cyril to distribute the gifts.
शुक्रिया 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 आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत, आपके समर्पण को सलाम। बदौलत आपके समर्पण को सलाम। शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया
हाथ थाम के आपने है हमको सब सिखाया, माफ की गलतियां संभाला जब भी लड़खड़ाया।
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
To all the teachers we have met in this life, a very happy Teachers' Day.
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
Now I request few teachers to come upon the stage to distribute the gifts to our Father Cyril.
है आपकी ही बदौलत, आपके समर्पण को सलाम। शुक्रिया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया।
All the teachers, please come upon the stage.
शुक्रिया शुक्रिया
May I request Father Cherian to come upon the stage?
हाथ थाम के आपने है हमको सब सिखाया, माफ की गलतियां संभाला जब भी लड़खड़ाया।
Father Cyril, please come upon the stage.
To all the teachers we have met in this life, a very happy Teachers' Day from all of us. And thank you for making us enabled. Shukriya.
Father Cyril, please come. Teachers, kindly give the gift to our wonderful father. I request teachers to give the gift to our respected Father Cherian.
शुक्रिया शुक्रिया, आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी।
Father Joseph, please come and receive the gift.
आपके समर्पण को सलाम। शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
Teachers, kindly stay on the stage, please.
It's time to capture the joy and spirit of this special day. Let's come together, smile, and freeze this time into movement.
माफ की गलतियां संभाला जब भी लड़खड़ाया।
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
To all the teachers we have met in this life, a very happy Teachers' Day from all of us. And thank you for making us enabled. Shukriya.
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया। आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत, आपके समर्पण को सलाम। शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
हाथ थाम के आपने है हमको सब सिखाया, माफ की गलतियां संभाला जब भी लड़खड़ाया।
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
To all the teachers we have met in this life, a very happy Teachers' Day from all of us. And thank you for making us enabled. Shukriya.
It's time to express our heartfelt thanks. So I would like to invite Sony of class 9 to deliver a vote of thanks, acknowledging the effort of every student who made this event a grand success.
Good morning everyone. On this special occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone, those who have made today possible. First and foremost, a big thank you to our respected chief guest, Father Cyril, our principal and vice principal, for your constant guidance and support.
To all our teachers, thank you for being the pillars of our education. Your patience, your commitment to our growth inspire us every day. I would also like to extend our appreciation to all the students who performed today. Your efforts and talents have made this celebration even more special and memorable. Finally, a special thanks to everyone who worked tirelessly behind the scene to arrange this wonderful program. Once again, thank you everyone.
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया